Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Namrata. Hope you all are doing great. So if you're new here, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button for future notifications. And in today's video, as you are seeing, I'm already glammed up, and it's all about today's video. I'm gonna share with you 5 very gorgeous yet wearable, easy to do eye makeup look using single palette, none other than the James Charles Artistry palette with Morphe. I'm still in love with all the shades, the pigmentation, the formula of these colors. Although there are some things, very little things I don't like about it. You can check another video I did few weeks back, a comparison video between BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and this one. So I'll be putting the link in the description box below and somewhere on the screen. Check that out. And if you want to see another 5 look apart from the looks I'll be creating in this video, then please follow me on Instagram. I already shared different looks, more than 5 looks using this palette. I shared all the makeup details and mini tutorials over there, so yeah, please follow me up. I'll be mentioning my Insta handle and all the link in the description box. Make sure you check that out. And now, without doing any further ado, let's get into the tutorial.